Hi guys, my name's Marcia. What's occurring? Um, just wanted to say, I've just, seen me and Bada's just seen on one of our videos, an evil spirit, and I just wanted to say to you as well that some people might be thinking, oh yeah, you're doing something wrong. It doesn't mean that you're doing anything wrong if you see anything, and I'm doing this video for the people who are seeing things as well. I don't want you to be scared or anything like that. I know it's a bit weird and that, but God said, "Blessed are your eyes that you see the things that you see, and blessed are your ears that hear the things that you hear." When you start leveling up, you're gonna see things like this because God is showing you what is cast out of you. Okay, if he casts it out, you're gonna see it on the outside, and if it's in the inside, you're gonna feel it on the inside. But when he casts it out, that demon, the stronghold, not the demon itself, but like the stronghold that he has over you, that's keeping you in certain sins or whatever, and yeah, so basically what it is letting you know that it's been cast out, basically. So, you know, um, I don't want you to be afraid of anything. But have you got anything to say?
You heard what my wife said?
Don't be frightened, innit?
Don't be scared. You're protected by God.
Yeah, so don't be scared or anything like that, and keep your, reading and stuff like that. And if you are feeling fear, I just want to let you know that fear's got something to do with punishment, and you haven't done anything wrong. God's just showing you through your spiritual eyes the things that you're seeing. So, God bless you all. Bye.
Bye.